Look at that, isn't that beautiful? I'm in Gortin Glen, or Gortin Glen as some people call it, forest park here. It's got a little bit of everything. It's got hiking trails, it's got mountain biking trails, it's got like play parks and stuff for kids, it's got a cafe, it's got amenities, and it's got a deer enclosure. So let's start by talking to some deer. Hello. Well, ran around the entire deer enclosure and not one single deer was here that I could see. I can't understand why on earth they wouldn't appear. Like, what is it about a lunatic in blue running along yelling to themselves that would make deer not want to come out? But oh well, let's head on up the mountain. Woo. Quite conveniently, there's lots of walking routes marked out here. Everything from 1 kilometer all the way to 7 kilometers. So from 0.6 miles to 4.2 miles. I want to do a bit of more distance than that. I want to do about 6. So I'm going to combine a couple of these. I'm going to combine the Ladies View Trail and the Mullaghcarn Trail. So I'm starting down here. You've got the deer enclosure. I'm going to head up around this way, down here, around there, up to the summit, and then back down some way. I think it'll be about 6 miles. Here we go, on the Ladies View Trail, so I know I'm going the right way. Oh, I'm so glad that it looks like spring is finally here. Oh, I'm going downhill first. It's kind of like budget going on for steps. Oh, got a bug. If you've got a thing for small wooden bridges, you're gonna love Gortin Glen, because I think so far I've crossed 5. Up and on the open hillside. Whew. There's the mast way in the distance there, up at the top of Mullaghcarn. That's where I'm hoping to end up. Oh, that's a tough climb. There's a car park there. I could have just driven up. That would have been so much easier. Whew. Ah, Ladies View. Ah, hi ladies. Can't see any ladies. Why is it called Ladies View? So I think this is called Ladies View because some of these hills have got women's names, so they're the ladies. So it's that you're coming up here to look at ladies, which is probably not a good way to explain why you're here. Ah yes, I went to Gortin Glen to watch the ladies. And I should get out of there before I accidentally said something that got me cancelled. Look at that view. Hi baby frogs. Woo! 3 miles in, 5k. There's the top. Keep going. over here? Ah, my hat! No, not again! Woo! It's so windy! It's freezing, I'm going down! Ah. You can see all the way to Donegal from here. Anyway, it's absolutely freezing up here. The wind chill is insane. I'm starting to get cold, so I'm gonna absolutely fly down this hill. This is gonna be fast and fun. Let's go. There's the deer. Back where we started, and the deer finally came out to welcome me finishing my run. Oh, I forgot to stop my watch. So I did 7.5 miles. Really nice place. I've only been here once before. That was about 4 years ago. I was on a job down here. I came in and I visited it quickly, but I always meant to come back and make another running video, and it never happened. So finally had the chance to do it. Really nice place. A little bit different from somewhere like the Mourns or Tollymore or anywhere else where I usually run. Different views, and this is going to be hopefully the first of a few videos I'm going to make down in the Sperrins area this year. I've done a lot of videos in the Mourns down the southeast, and this year I feel like I want to move a little bit more southwest direction across more of Northern Ireland and maybe up into Donegal as well. So yeah, I'll definitely be back here at some point. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit like, and it'd be great if you could subscribe. Bye bye. Oh, bye. I'm terrible at doing these endings. Oh. Oh, I just noticed on the way back to the van, there's actually a forest drive. We'll go take a little look at the forest drive as a little bit of a bonus. So, if I go left, that's the exit. If I go right, it takes me onto the forest drive. Let's go and check out the forest drive. Right here. Whee!